Live. This is One for the Record. I'm Diana, and today is December 4th, 2012. It is Tuesday evening, and here's your updates for today. We'll start with the Extinction Protocol 2012 and beyond. Yesterday, 5.8 magnitude earthquake rattles Anchorage, Alaska. It's actually this morning. 0200 1645 UTC. Also, and that was a 5.8. Malabar Beach glows blue following red algae invasion. And that's in Florida, I believe. Also, earthquake swarm reported at California's Coso volcanic field. Heads up. Also, there's a couple of sinkholes in California going on. One's in Santa Cruz, I believe. And the other one's in the Bay Area. San Francisco area, I believe. Okay, moving on. Pastor Paul Begley's channel. Excuse me, Paul Begley reported about a man up in Ontario that proceeded to try to eat a dog in the middle of an intersection, and it was just attacked and bit up by this guy. Someone called the police. There's two guys, and someone called the police. They're going to try to stop him, but then they saw how crazed he was. They let the police handle it. And then when they got the dog away from the guy started licking the blood on the ground from the dog. More zombie apocalypse coming to you. It's terrible. And that was in Ontario, Canada. Alrighty. Mayan prophecy countdown clock. Let's see what this is. There is 16 days, 1 hour, 39 minutes, and 50 seconds before December 21st, 2012. 11:11 Greenwich Mean Time. Alright, moving on. Excuse me. E&E News, Fukushima. Journalist purple spots, thyroid anomaly, sudden death. Death rate 1.5 times higher. Lots of symptoms with Fukushima kids. Also today, research shows accelerated failure at Fukushima Daiichi. Also today, let's see if I can move it down. Japan TV broadcast mutations in animals and plants after Fukushima. Scientists, very few insects, only 2 birds. Asahi, giant net to be placed around Fukushima Daiichi port. And that's that for today. On that one, let's see what's on the sinkhole. USGS large magnitude 5 quakes linked to fracking waste may have caused every quake since 2001 in area studied. Scientists warns of worst outcomes. Also today, Louisiana sinkhole footage. Almost 100% of people in neighborhood nearby have stayed. I know of 3 homes that evacuated. It's weird. Also today, Gunderson and dominoes are starting to fall in U.S. I think we'll see quite a few nuclear plants shutting down permanently. Also today, top headlines. Damn lies. Nuclear whistleblowers blast NRC for cover-up. Alrighty then. Okay. There was no extra footage on the man charged after bizarre attack on dog. Yeah, but I don't see the footage. No one, no one filmed it. Someone took a picture of it after they pulled the dog away, but I don't see the picture here. Alrighty then. See if we can get into the Watchers. I don't think there might not be anything new on the Watchers. The Watchers watching the world. Let's see what's going on. Oh, I guess it's not moving. Are we frozen? We might be frozen in time. Yep. Well, something's going on with the Watchers again. Here we go. Froze up for a second there. Maybe there's something on there they don't want us to see. Let's see what's on here. Volgrippa, a new searchable database on global volcanic activity and hazards. Also, spirit science for consideration, the shift of ages, and what might happen in 2012. Alright, that's it. Alrighty, it is 2 days down, 3 to go. Before the weekend, I'll see you on the flip side. Please always be prepared. Make sure you have plenty of dry matches and also lighters. Alrighty then. Meaning, dry matches, meaning you take a box of matches and see if you can put a couple baggies, Ziploc bags, one inside the other. Keep those matches dry and also get some lighters. Never know, you should be prepared for anything. Take care.